Hi there, and welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw series. Today, Ellie is going to show us how to draw a beautiful horse. We'll be starting off by using a pencil to draw some basic shapes before using a pen to create the final lines. Loads of people struggle to draw horses, but following Ellie's lead is going to give us a few handy tricks. So make sure you have everything you need and let's get going. Handy heads up, marking down some circle shapes is the best way to start off your horse drawing. This makes the rest of the drawing so much easier. So take a look at what Ellie is doing and try your best to copy. First of all, we start by outlining the horse's head. There is one larger circle for the main part of the head and then a smaller circle for the nose. Then we have to draw two lines joining both circles together. Can you see the horse's head taking shape? After that, we have to start your horse's body. We do this by marking down two circle shapes again. The first one will be the shoulders and chest, and the second will be the horse's back end. Just like with the head, we then need to connect these shapes together, just like Ellie is doing. Draw two lines from the head to the shoulders to create the horse's neck. Then, do the same again for the main part of the horse's body, connecting the shoulders to the back end. Now we've got to do the legs. Ellie is going to show you the same kind of circle line strategy to make this super easy. She tackles each leg in three sections: the upper part, the knee, and the lower part, including the hoof. Do your best to follow what she is doing. Finally, let's add a lovely swishy tail for your horse to keep those pesky flies away in summer, and some pretty pointed ears to help the horse listen out for danger. What a great job! You've completed the basic sketch of the horse. Remember, you can rewind and pause the video if you need to. Ellie won't mind waiting until you catch up. Now we've completed the first part of our drawing. Did you know that almost 80% of our viewers aren't subscribed to our channel? Why don't you hit that subscribe button so you're the first to know when we next upload? It's time to pick up your pen and add some detail. But before you do, let's have a fun horsey fact. Did you know that horses are able to run only hours after being born? So, here we go. This part is quite detailed, so try hard to pay attention to what Ellie does. Go over the ears and don't forget the horse's fringe, called a forelock. Then, take your pen down to the nose. Do you see how Ellie is creating the outline for the nostrils, mouth, and cheek? Try your best to copy. And don't forget to add in the eye and nostril. Next, Ellie is going to show us how to do the main body and the legs. Ellie starts by outlining the shoulder of the horse, coming inside the initial outline to show the horse's muscle. Then, she takes another line down from the horse's cheek to touch the shoulder. Now it's time for the horse's legs and tummy. Follow the outline of your basic sketch and don't forget to add the hooves. Almost done now. We just have to outline the horse's back and tail. To add texture to the tail, add a few lines just as Ellie has done. Whoops, look like we missed something important. We now need to add the horse's mane. You can get creative with this. You can add a lovely long flowing mane or a short and spiky mane. Finally, if you haven't outlined any of the legs, make sure you do this now, just like Ellie. What a fantastic job! You can rub out your basic sketch and be left with your wonderful, polished final drawing. Why not grab the colouring pens or pencils and bring some life to your horse? If you're feeling really adventurous, you could add a horn to make a unicorn or some wings for a Pegasus. We hope you've enjoyed your time here at Twinkl Kids TV today. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.